What is DHCP's role in provisioning IoT devices? Imagine hundreds of tiny gadgets all trying to connect to the internet at once. How do they get their addresses and know where to go? That's where DHCP comes in. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network protocol that helps devices automatically get their IP addresses and other network settings when they join a network. For Internet of Things devices, which include smart thermostats, security cameras, or even smart refrigerators, DHCP makes setup simple. These devices often don't have screens or keyboards, so manual configuration isn't practical. DHCP allows them to connect and start working right away without human help. When an IoT device connects to a network, it sends out a request called a DHCP Discover message. The DHCP server then responds with an offer that includes an IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server addresses. The device accepts this offer and confirms it with a DHCP request. The server then finalizes the setup with a DHCP acknowledgement. This process is quick and automatic. One big benefit of DHCP for IoT devices is that it assigns unique IP addresses to each device. This helps the network identify and communicate with each device properly. It also supports vendor-specific options. For example, some DHCP servers can send special instructions like security keys, server locations, or firmware update links directly to the device. Another key role DHCP plays is in zero-touch provisioning. This means devices can be configured and connected without manual setup. During the DHCP lease process, devices get all the info they need to operate securely and efficiently. This reduces deployment time and minimizes errors, especially when managing large numbers of IoT devices. DHCP also helps with network security. It can provide IP to MAC address bindings, which are records linking a device's hardware address to its IP address. Security systems like firewalls use these bindings to monitor and track devices on the network. This way, administrators can quickly identify any suspicious activity or unauthorized devices. In big IoT deployments, DHCP can be integrated with other device management tools. These tools can send cryptographic data or configuration fingerprints through DHCP options. This allows devices to authenticate themselves securely and automatically configure their settings when they connect. In short, DHCP is the backbone of IoT device provisioning. It makes deploying large networks easier, faster, and more secure by automatically assigning network identities and delivering essential configuration data. This helps keep IoT networks running smoothly and securely, making sure devices are always ready to do their jobs.